Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this session, I will share a tutorial on how to export and import device on DMSS app. Ideally, demonstrating this tutorial requires two smartphones, but for the purpose of this guide, I'll be using only one smartphone and utilizing the dual app feature. I'll designate the first instance of the app as the first smartphone, where several devices have already been added. The second instance will be treated as the second smartphone, with no devices added yet. Since adding each device individually can be time-consuming due to the number of devices, we'll leverage the export and import features. To proceed, navigate to the Me menu, select Export Device, choose the devices you want to export, either all or a selection, and click Create Device Card. Set a password for the device card and click OK. The resulting device list QR code can then be imported into the second smartphone. Save the QR code to your album. Next, open the second smartphone to begin the import process. Click the plus icon in the top right corner, select SN or Scan, and then click the image icon in the top right corner. Choose the previously exported QR device list from the first smartphone, enter the device card password, and finally, click OK. Congratulations! You have successfully imported devices from the first smartphone to the second one. That's it. How to export and import device on DMSS app. We hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.